So good evening, everyone. So fine then. Let us start. Online team, can you hear me? Online team, can I get a response? Okay, good. So fine then. Let us start the session, sir. I already created a running notes just now. Just 2 minutes back actually. If you want, you can cross verify. Today the date is 18th and 16th running notes actually, right? The very first point, everyone is in Google Classroom, right, sir? Everyone, please. There are, if anyone is not available, the very first place instead of session, you should be available in what exactly? Google Classroom. Why? Because we are sharing running material, running notes actually. These are all we are sharing by using Google Classroom only. If you guys are still asking one to one, I'm happy to share actually, but kindly please be available Google Classroom, sir. Now, today the discussion will be functions part number one continuation. What is the topic name? Functions part number one continuation. And I would like to give a small recap till now from introduction to till previously. Uh, we'll see. Today the total discussion will be functions part number one only. Why? Because there is a major topic we are discussing. The topic name is a written keyword. What is the topic name? Written keyword. Important, right? Once we done that, then we will enter into part number two. Maybe either today or tomorrow we'll see accordingly. Function spot number one. Come on. From the, I'm sure everyone done installation. Let me tell you, if anyone is not done, you can please connect with me. Till to the last day, we'll tell the same point actually, sir. Right? Unfortunately, if anyone missed out installation, please let us know. Why I'm telling this one, previous batches, there was a student, his laptop was stuck actually. Then he formatted his laptop in between the course actually. We can do that. Then still he connected with us and we helped how to installation. These are all stuff actually, right? Getting right, sir? In between, if anyone uninstall or else you formatted your system actually, do let us know. We'll help you how to install. Yeah, from this, can I ask a question? How to check Python is installed or not actually? Very good. Open a command prompt and provide what exactly? Py. Then let me ask you questions. Who created Python? Daniel, right? Daniel, not Daniel, sir. Guido Van Rossum. You can remember his name very easily. Something like a bus van, school van, something like that actually. Okay. Python supports two things. What are those? Very good. Function and object oriented. That 2 points you can understand from the introduction. Next topic is a keyword. Next topic is what exactly? What is a keyword? The word which is reserved to do a specific functionality. That is called as a keyword. Means this name is called as a mouse. This name is called as what exactly? That mouse is a name reserved only for this, sir. And can I say this is the mouse actually? No. I mean, the word which is reserved to do a specific purpose, that word is called as a keyword, also called as a reserved word. In Python, total 350 keywords available, valid or invalid? Only 35, sir. Good. And hello example, I explained very clearly. Just you need to open a, there is a process. There is what exactly? Process. Please follow the process actually. I'm happy to help you any questions. And what is the process? You just need to initially, we are writing all these examples by using a notepad and we are running examples by using what exactly? Command prompt actually. Online team, hold on. Is it okay? If you don't have fans, up to you. It is up to you. If anyone want, you can switch on actually. Good. We just need to open a notepad and we need to write a program, save the program, run the program actually. What is the first hello world example? Tell me. Print hello world. Print is a predefined function. Hello world is a string. Very good. I hope. How to run a program actually? Py space name of the file. What is the name of the file? Demo1.py. Good. I hope you know. Whenever I'm explaining, giving revision, you have to feel bored actually. If you are feeling boring indirectly, you already know the topic actually, right? Python execution flow. Sir, whenever you are running any Python program from the hello world to till to the data science last example, actually, it follows one process. What is that process? Whenever you are running a program, that is called as a source code to byte code to PVM to output. One more time. Source code, bytecode, PVM, output. Perfect. Next one is the naming convention. In this chapter, we need to understand identifier. What we need to understand? Yeah, we already know. Any idea what is an identifier? Very good, man. Very good, actually. This time if I'm getting a nice response means you guys are preparing regularly. Please continue the same actually. A name in a program is called as an identifier. That name can be package name, module name, variable name, function name, class name. What is the last one? All right, good. And there are some certain 5 rules I have already explained. Actually, you guys need to walk through. And here I kept a hold one topic actually. That is nothing but a identifier table that I can discuss later. And after that, what I covered, comments, single line comments. Next one is a multi-line comments we covered, sir. Next one is a variable. What is a variable? How to create a variable? A variable, a single line, multiple variables we can create actually. Variable reinitialization. These are all things I have covered. Next one is the major the data type. What is the topic name? Once you create a variable, every variable having the data type. Having what exactly? Data type. Value it is having, range it is having, scope it is having. That point you need to understand. In a data type, there is a one predefined function. That predefined function name is called as a type. By using that, we can check the data type of each and every variable. Data type of what exactly? Being a human, everyone having the gender, either male or female, same thing like that. Whenever you are creating a variable, every variable having the type, every variable having what exactly? Type, data type, that you can check by using a type function. That you can check by using what exactly? Type function. Good. And integer, a kind of some float actually, bull, none. That's it, right? Boolean, how many values? Two values, true and false actually. Good. Next one is what exactly, sequence data type. What is the next one? Sequence. Under sequence data type, tell me. String. First one is a string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. All right, good. Next one is a operator. Next one is what exactly? There are main 6 operators would you have. Among that, the last 3 operators are important actually. What are those important operators? Relational operator, logical operator. Good. Sir, let me tell you, when I'm explaining, follow exactly our material. I cannot say my material. This is our material actually. Order matters. What matters actually? I am asking a question. Please respond for my question. Tell 1 to 5 numbers tell actually. Tell me 1 to 5 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the right order. Am I right? Can I say 2, 1, 5, 3, 4? Valid, invalid actually. Am I right or not? Same thing like that. How my material designed, please follow point by point order. Then that is very easy for you actually, right? The next one is, I hope I already covered relational operator. By using that, we can create a simple condition. What do you mean by that? We can compare the two variables actually. Whenever you are comparing, we are going to get the result as a bool value. What is a boolean value actually? True or false. This relational operator we are using in a flow control chapter, sir. We are using in what exactly? Flow control chapter. I hope you already know what is a flow control. Next one is the input and output chapter. What is the next chapter? Input and output chapter. The purpose of that 9th topic is, can I take value at runtime? We can take. By using only one function. What is that function name? Input actually. Good. Seems to be during the session, I still remember someone asked a question. That question will be eval. What is that one? Eval. There is one more function that we are not using in a real time. Let me tell you, I'm master in Python for your kind information actually. But I no need to show my mastering skills actually. In a data science, what is required, that's what I'm covering. Kindly please follow the Python what I'm covering. That is more than enough actual, right? Good. Let me tell you. That's what we covered. And yes, but one point you need to understand, input is a predefined function. Input predefined function accepts input from keyboard actually. Input predefined function always written one data type. What is the data type actually? String. Based on requirement, we can convert from string to what exactly, sir? Other data type actually. That's what we covered. Are you fine? Revision help అవుతుందా? Good, right? See, the last within 10 minutes we covered actually the last 9 topics. Flow control chapter. What is the next one? What do you mean by flow control? Sir, assuming that we had written 10 lines of the program, I wanted to know how the program is executing. There are mainly 3 orders actually. There are mainly how many orders? 3 orders, 3 executions. The first one is I wanted to hear from you. First one is sequential condition. Second one is conditional. Second one, third one is looping kind of execution, right? So under that, there are different keywords actually on a flow control. What are keywords? If, else, elif, for, while, break, continue, pass. Except one keyword, we covered all other keywords. What is that keyword actually? Pass actually. Good. You can pass that keyword as of now. Major topics are string actually. What is a string and how to create a string, how to access a string. These are all things we covered. But there are two important interview questions from this topic actually. What is the topic name? Explain about mutable and immutable. Important interview discussion. Next interview question will be explain about few methods from this string. Explain about what exactly? Few methods from this string. And what is a method and how to access the method. We are all things we already covered. Am I right or not, sir? Please prepare. Those are all things actually. If anyone joined just now, till now I'm giving a small recap actually. Very good. Nice. Thank you for nice responding. Let me start my video, sir. Seems to be a long back we have seen, right? When I started the demo. Yeah. All right. Let us continue. Then, yeah, good. The today topic will be the function spot number one. We already started previously. In a Python programming language, only the topic name is the functions, also called as a functional programming language. Also called as what exactly? Functional programming language. For your better understanding, what I done, I made it like a part number 1 and 2. I always like divide and conquer. If it is something like a complex one, I would like to divide small parts actually, so that we can eat, piece by piece, so that you can easy to understand. Good. In a function part number 1, what are all things we covered, sir? Let me explain practically, so that you will get a clear picture. Good. Kindly please help me. These are all things I covered actually. Good. The very first one is, this is the way we can create a function. This way, what exactly, sir? We can create a function. And now here, good evening. Wish actually. Now let me repeat one more time. What is the first one? Sir, based on requirement, functions are, based on definition. What is the first one? Based on definitions, functions are divided into two categories actually. The first one is a predefined functions. First one is what exactly? Predefined function. Second one is a user defined function. User defined what exactly? Function. What is a function? A function can contain group of statements to perform a task. To perform what exactly, sir? Task actually. Good. Based on definition, functions are divided into two types. If you wanted to learn anything about the function, ensure that two things you need to learn. What is the first one? First one, sir, how to create a function. Second one is how to call a function, or else access a function. I hope we already covered. These are all two steps actually. Good. Exactly, by looking at this example, you need to understand that point. Am I right or not? Good. Hey, Daniel, can I create a two functions actually? Sir, this is up to you. You can create how many functions you want, you can create actually. That's what we covered actually. And the next one is a function can call another function. That one also I covered actually. Now today let us start, parameterized function. What is that one? Parameters. First of all, let us continue actually. I hope I need to continue from here. Am I right? Previously I have already explained actually. Let me start from here. Yeah, we are starting the session. Get ready to understand. Good. Sir, you know what? Based on parameters, based on what exactly? I will tell you what is a parameter. Functions are divided into two categories. The first one is function without parameter. Function what exactly? Without parameter. This is also called as a, no parameterized function. This is also called as a zero parameterized function. There are multiple names actually. But in a simple way, a function without parameter. I mean to say that we have created a function, but here no parameters. Here what exactly? No parameters. That is the first way. And what is the second way, sir? Function with parameter. What is the first, second one? Function with parameter. Come on. Now, please focus. We are entering into the session. After this one, there is a major topic actually. In next 5 to 10 minutes, we are entering into the major topic. Please focus. Notepad. We are using Notepad, right? I don't want Notepad plus plus as of now. Sir, how is the practice going on? Good, right? Keep continue, please. Keep continue. Def, let me just try to create a function. This function name is I would like to say no parameterized function. What is the function name, sir? No parameterized function. Let me save this example. I'm saving this example will be demo1.py. Now all files actually go to desktop, go to programs. Let me save actually. Let me repeat again. Hurry, Daniel, can I give here is the capital case actually? No. Requesting we should not provide. We should not provide actually. Whenever you are, whenever you are creating a file, the real-time standard will be You have to always provide lowercase letter. You have to always provide what exactly? A best example, sir. Even the coding is following some standards. Since our childhood, we already learned actually. What is my name? Tell me. Daniel. Which one is valid to do? Let me know. First one or second one? Exactly. Like how we learned since our childhood, every coding language will follow some standards actually. A name supposed to start with what exactly? Capital letter. In Python programming language also, whenever you are creating a function, requesting all are lowercase, all are what exactly? Something like a print function. Hey, can I give here is the capital letter? Sir, if P is the capital letter, you can give W is the capital letter. Only that is my answer actually. So the P letter is the lowercase. Whenever you are creating a function, always follows print function standards. Always follows what exactly? Team, are you with me? Yeah, good. It's a very simple, man. Come on. Now let us just try to, yeah, very good. Let's run this example. Do you think we are going to get output actually? If anyone is saying yes, I will cry, sir. I will cry and I will explain one more time actually. Now just try to see the output. Now we are not getting any output. Why no output? Tell me. Because whenever you are creating a function, immediately you should not celebrate festival actually to get the output. Once you have to call, once you created a function, what we need to do? We need to call, then only we need to celebrate. I hope you're getting. Am I right or not, sir? This is called as a function without parameter. This is called as what exactly? A function without parameter. Now I'm entering function with parameter. Function with what exactly, sir? Parameter. Please focus. Important actually. Please focus. Come here. Now let me just try to take def. My function name is a add actually. What is my function name? Add or addition, anything you can take. Do you want to take addition actually? Anything you can take, sir. My function name is addition. Let me take a comma b. Let me take one parameter. Let me take what exactly? One parameter. What is my parameter here actually? Yeah, sir. First of all, this is called as a parenthesis. That is called as what exactly? Within parenthesis, if you're not providing anything, that is called as a function without parameter. Function without what exactly? Now, hey Daniel, within parameter, can I provide the some parameters? Within parenthesis, can I provide something? You can provide. Can I provide 10 value? No. The point what you need to understand, sir, within parenthesis, you have to provide name of the variable. You have to provide what exactly? Name of the variable. Good practice. Then go to the next line, column symbol. Wherever column came, next line is a indentation. Now let me just try to here. As of now, let me print just hello. As of now, let me print just what exactly? Hello. Good. Now just try to come here. Sir, can I call wish actually? Arey man, what is your function name actually? Addition. Then what you wanted to call? You have to call, addition only. Now there is a rules and regulation you need to follow. What is the rule? First point, with the name of the function only you need to call. Very good. Then the second rule number 2, if a function having the parameter, if a function having what exactly, sir? Parameter. How many parameters should you have? One parameter. During function calling, please provide value for this parameter. That parameter is something like a variable, sir. That parameter is something like what exactly? Variable. Hey Daniel, can I provide a 10 value actually? Can I provide a hello value actually? Can I provide list actually? These are all things I'm going to cover now actually. Are you guys clear? Good. Now let's execute this example. Interesting, sir. These are all interesting. Please focus on this. What is output actually? Hello. Now what exactly happened, Yes, you are calling a function. The function name is a addition actually. According to the discussion, function having the parameter. For this parameter, what value you are providing actually? 10 value. Sir, back end what happened, this variable is assigned with the 10 value. That variable is assigned with what exactly? 10 value, but you are not using. If you want, you can use actually. If you want, what exactly? We can use. I mean to say that, hey Daniel, come here just to print A. Just to print what exactly? What happened, backend? Addition function you are calling actually. This 10 value will be assigned to the A. Where are all you are printing A? What is the value you are going to print, sir? 10. Very good. Indirectly, you are passing the value by simple man. This is in first floor, one of our friend actually. We are in ground floor. We are throwing paper actually. He is catching something like that. then he is using that paper for reading purpose. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let us just to run this example. Now, what is output you are going to get actually? Tell me, sir. Very good. So the first point, let me tell you, hold on. What is the rule number one? If a function having the parameter, if a function having what exactly? Parameter, during function calling, we need to provide the value. We need to provide what exactly? Value. Now questions here actually. Good. Comma. Let me provide type of A. Let me provide what exactly, sir? Type of A. I wanted to hear from you. Tell me, sir, what is the type actually? I need total output actually. Tell me output. Hello 10 class int. Am I right? One more time. Hello 10 class int. Very good. Just try to see exactly same thing like that. Means as of now we are providing integer value. What value you are providing? It is okay. Acceptable. Now just try to come here. Now I hope you understand my next example explanation actually. What I'm trying to provide boss. Now instead of 10 value, can I provide 123.456 actually? We can provide. That's the beauty. In a Python programming language, once you create a parameterized function, for that parameter, if you want, you can provide integer value. If you want, you can provide floating value, string value, list, tuple. Sir, no limitation. You can provide any value actually. Now save the example and you can just try to run this example. Wow, seriously super. Now do let me know previously what is the value actually? 10 integer. Now what is the value? 123.446. What is the data type? Wow, interesting. The next example will be, hold on, please hold on. Let me cover one by one, sir. Now let me show you small stuff actually. What is the small stuff, Sir, now tell me, is it valid or invalid actually? Tell me. Invalid. Tell me one more time. Well, last time. Why invalid, sir? Yeah, simple. Very simple. See, here function name is matching. Rule number one, passing actually. Rule number two, what is the rule number two? Are boss, is this function having the parameter? Yes. If yes, then provide the value. Otherwise, error. Otherwise, what exactly? Read everyone the error name actually. Just try to read. What is error name? Not this one. Here onwards, you need to understand this error actually. What is this error name? Positional argument A. One more time. Last time. Hold on. Hey, Daniel, what do you mean by positional argument A? Hold on, sir. Go back to the Python functions part number 2. That is a separate topic. You cannot believe actually. Now, exactly. Kindly please read this one. What is this one? Positional argument. Wow. I mean to say that a error, I made it like a separate topic actually. As of now, you can ignore the discussion. But remember one thing. If a function having the parameter, hey, Daniel, you have to provide the value. Otherwise, you will get a type error. Otherwise, you will get what exactly, sir? Type error. Please make a note. This point is a very, very important, sir. Very, very important actually. Now, let us move on to the next discussion. Take this error. Exactly out of all this one, positional argument. I would like to say this is the upcoming topic. What topic actually? Upcoming topic. Upcoming topic. Now, yeah. I have online team. Are you following? Let me drink water. Online team. Can I get a response? Printing that value is what is the very good. Begum, very good question, boss. I will answer for your question. Sriram sir, I can cover actually. During object oriented programming, I can cover. What is the use of printing that value? Good question. Nice question. That is my next explanation. But anyway, as of now, the question came, right? One of our teammate is asking a question. What is the question? Array Daniel, what is the use of printing that value? Till now, I'm showing just printing the value. Till now, I'm just showing what exactly printing the value. Let me pass value here, sir. Now, please observe this one. What is output you are going to get? Tell me. What is output actually? Hello? 10 value. Sir, come here. Do plus 7. Do what exactly? Plus 7. Now, what is output actually? Yeah, 17 you got it. Though here you are providing the value, that value you are applying some processing logic. Generally, why we supposed to provide the values, these values we need to use inside function body. These values we need to use where exactly inside function body. Are you getting? These are all points I will cover. Hold on, actually. Step by step I will cover, sir. This is answer. For reusing actually. For what exactly? Reusing. Now the next point what I wanted to cover, a comma type of a. Previously 10 I have passed actually, integer I have passed, float I have passed, string I passed. Let me pass list also. Let me pass what exactly? Now conclusion of the story, sir, you can pass any value, sir. That's the motto actually. Can we provide string? Sir, I already covered. String we already provide actually. We already provided. Let us execute this example. What is output you are going to get? Tell me. 10. 1 minute. Type of A. Very good. Now, can somebody help me? What is output actually? Hello. Yeah, 10, 20, 30 means this A is assigned with the list actually. Now, what is the data type? Sir, like this, we can provide tuple, set, dictionary. We don't have that much luxury time actually. You guys need to practice all those examples. Are you clear? Good. Now, I have one small question. Get ready to understand. Please get ready to understand. Hello. Let me provide here Daniel. Let me provide here what exactly? Daniel. Now, let me just try to print A. Sir, take 1 or 2 minutes time. Just answer my question actually. Are you ready? Can I ask a question? Good. What is output I'm going to get? Hello? Daniel actually. Very good. Daniel, I wanted to print uppercase, sir. What I need to do? Dot. Where I need to provide dot actually? Superman. I hope you connected actually. Dot upper. Now you need to think, okay, whenever you are providing parameter, this Daniel is ascending to the A. A is a string actually. Now all string methods you can apply over that A. Am I right or not, sir? Like that actually. I mean to say that for the parameter you are providing the value, over the value, if you wanted to apply any operation, you can apply. Just I have done any same thing actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good, good. So these are all things you can understand step by step actually. But now, as of now, let us move on to the discussion. I need your help actually. Sir, previously, how many parameters I have passed actually? Yeah, one parameter. Now let me pass how many parameters? A comma B, two parameters. So that we can close the discussion. A comma B. Now can somebody help me? Addition of, sir, if you have created a function, you need to call the function. Rule number one, passed actually. Rule number two, if a function having the parameter, how many parameters? Then two values you need to pass. How many values you need to pass actually? Let me pass 10 comma 20. Let me pass what exactly? As of now, let us do some operation plus of B. I mean to say that what exactly I'm doing, sir? A plus B. Now what is output actually? Tell me. Very good. I hope you got it. Now just have to close this one, move on to the next discussion. Any one of you may ask a question. Hey Daniel, can I do one thing? First value is the 10, next value is the string. Next value is what exactly, sir? String. Can I provide actually? You can provide, man. No worries actually. A value is what exactly? 10. B value is a hello. Hello, I wanted to print uppercase. What I need to do? A dot upper. Am I right? Tell me one more time. A dot upper or B dot upper? Super, sir. You catch my point actually. That's what my intention. Whenever you are providing value, which variable assigning, that is important. Order matters, man. First variable is the A, first value is the 10, assign A equals to 10. Second variable is the B, second value is the hello, B equals to hello. Then if you wanted to print B dot upper, B dot what exactly? Upper actually. Can I ask you one question? One more question actually. If anyone is answer my question, you are seriously awesome, sir. Can somebody tell me what is output? Error. Very good. Come again. One more time. Last time. Very good, sir. Nice response actually. Just try to see the error name is what exactly? Attribute error. Nice. You need to do these are all examples actually. Are you guys getting? Good. If you done previous all chapters practice, then this is the connectivity, sir. If anyone is feeling new, something like, hey, what is going on? If anyone is in the feeling mode, actually, one small suggestion, you only know, I never ask a question, do previous examples practice. These are all existing examples, you can easy to understand. Okay, getting right? Good, come on, come on. Now seems to be we done this topic. Now we are entering into the actual interview discussion, sir. I mean to say that important topic. Online team, can I get a response? Are you with me? Can I give the symbol to the A actually? Can I give the symbol? Teja, good question. If you call a function before the print, if you call a function before the print, you will get a name error. Das sir, Uttam Kumar Das will get an error actually. Let us take this question. What is the question? One of our teammate is asking a question. The question is, can I give the symbol to A actually? Sir, you can give. If you, do you wanted to give symbol actually, but in between double quotes you can provide. What symbol you wanted to provide? At the red symbol. What symbol, sir? At the red symbol. But in between double quotes you need to provide, not in a straight way. Execute this example. You are getting, sir. Right? I hope you got my point actually. Can we print after can we print after calling function? Can we print after calling? Sneha, I didn't understand your question. You can please explore your question actually. Rephrase one more time so that I can answer. I'm sure. All right, let me open the material command very quickly. Come on here actually. Sir, any questions offline team? Come on. You can ask a questions actually. Based on, come on, we can quickly work. Based on parameters, functions are divided into two types: function without parameter, function with parameter. If a function having no parameters, then that function is called as a no parameterized function. In Telugu, this is called as a Aki Spark, Kare Park, something like that. I mean, I'm repeating the same statement again and again actually. Okay, I'm sorry for using Telugu. Yeah, def name of the function. What is my function name, sir? Tell me. Display. Welcome to the function which having no parameters. Good. Function without parameter. If a function having the parameter, then that function is called as a parameterized function. That function is called as what exactly? Now, why function having the parameter? Important actually. Why function having the parameter? Function parameter help to process the function operation. Helps to process what exactly? Sir, let me tell you real-time application so that you can easy to understand. Def Gmail function. What function actually? Gmail. Now here processing. Now here you need to call Gmail function. Sir, whenever you're logging in Gmail, two parameters are there. What are the parameters actually? Mail underscore IDE. Next one is what exactly, sir? Password. And here I am providing my mail ID. What is my mail ID? Daniel@gmail.com. And next one is password will be yeah, yes, sir. Subhamma123 dot actually, something like that. What exact? I mean, my neighbor names actually. Don't surprise. So here mail ID, whenever you are giving, what is the value it is capturing? Tell me. Daniel@.com. What is the password actually? The so-and-so name what you have given. What exactly happened, whenever you are providing this value, this parameter will capture that value. It will take that value, and here some processing logic is happening. What is the processing logic? First of all, Gmail ID, is it existing or not? It will cross verify in Gmail application. Next one is password is matching or not? It will cross verify. If everything is valid, it will redirect to inbox actually. If something is wrong, password is wrong, it will throw the error. It will throw what exactly? Error. Now read the point actually. See, function parameter help to what exactly, sir? Processing the function operation. My function operation is checking the Gmail ID and password valid or not actually. Then what is the first one? Function capture the parameter value. Wow. This is the parameter. This parameter will be captured by this value actually. Right, good. These values perform the operation. Yes, exactly. These two values it will take inside of the function body and keep on it is processing. Then finally it is getting what exactly, sir? Am I right or not? I hope you're getting right. Take this one and you can just try to keep it here actually. Now if you want, in a simple way, I would like to explain one example, sir. Nothing is there. Def addition operation, a comma b actually, print of a plus b. This is the very basic example. Now function parameters are capturing values. Function parameters are capturing what exactly? Value. Exactly. A will be captured by B. I'm sorry. A will be captured by 10 value. B will be captured by 20 value. By using those values, we are processing actually. Come on. Let me ask important interview question. A plus C, valid or invalid? Tell me. One more time. Last time. Now tell me why invalid. Very good. Very good, sir. Let me tell you, sir, what is the name of the parameters? A comma B. We have to use A comma B only. We should not use other variable actually. You should not use what exactly? Other variable. Otherwise, we will get an error. Just try to see. What is error name? We already know this. These are all seems to be basic fundamental, but frankly speaking, very good fundamental. You guys need to do practice in such a way that Daniel have given A plus B. Let me provide A plus C. What it will happen? You need to cross verify. Getting right? Easy. These are all very easy, man. A plus B. Execute this example. Take this example. Now just try to come here, see actually. Good. What is error you are going to get? Name error. Tell me how to fix that one. Two ways. There are two ways. First one is either change C to B or else B to. Very good. How to change the first one is here what you need to provide? B. Otherwise here what I need to provide? That's it, man. That's it actually. I hope you got it, right? Now take this example. Please cross verify. These are all example also. See, seems to be lot of examples. These are all you need to do practice, man. The purpose of sharing running notes will be just to don't go through the running notes. Do the practice. Do what exactly, sir? Practice. Yeah, good. Come on, come on. Let us continue. Seems to be we done this one. Now the time is almost 1 hour we do have actually. Please walk through these are all. I'm sure this is valid. Even I'm sure this is valid actually. Wow. Previously, one student asked a question. What is the question? You know? Yeah, come on. DEF, something like a wish, and here A actually. Let me just try to print A. Hello, comma A. Hello, comma what exactly, sir? Comma A actually. Now, wish of Daniel. Here you are. I'm sorry, man. Here you are hard coding the value. What you are doing actually? Hard coding the value. Can I take value at runtime actually? You can take, sir. How to take value at runtime? Any idea? By using what exactly? Input function. Now just try to come here. Something like a b equals to input of what is that one? Input of enter the value. Then here instead of Daniel, what I need to replace here actually? B. Very good. Now let me run the example. Sir, understand the flow, please. Now let me enter Daniel. Let me enter what exactly? This is seriously super example, sir. What exactly happening, you know? Look at my screen. See, the value what you entered Daniel, first of all, this line is coming from this B value. Very good. Then whenever you are entering Daniel, this Daniel will be captured by B. B equals to Daniel here. Am I right? Then indirectly you are where are all you are providing B, indirectly what is that value? Daniel. Then wish of Daniel. Here, what are all we are providing? That value belongs to what exactly? A. Where are all you are printing A? What is the value? Daniel. Sir, this is the flow. Monday to Sunday, how the flow it will be. Like this, the flow one by one you need to understand. And it is very easy. One time practice is required. What is required actually? One time practice. Good, good. Let's move on. Let's move on. These are all things I have already covered actually. Kindly please walk through. Good. My dancing topic, sir. Can we upload the data to database using functions actually? So we can do that. 1 minute, sir. We'll never give parameter to the function if function calling will appear. Is it possible? Very good, Teja. Example in addition, list combination to list actually, sir. It is possible. Sriram, sir, it is possible. There is a one good question. What is the question? You know, that one like that. Can we upload the data? Keshava question also valid. Let us make a note these questions actually before proceeding to the next point. There are two very good questions. One question is from Teja. Next question is from Keshava. Keshava. Good. What is the first question? You know, array Daniel. Assuming that I will not provide any parameter to the function in a function calling, I will give parameter like a equals to 10. Sir, it is my answer will be absolutely possible. This topic name is called as a default argument. What is the topic name? Default argument. Frankly speaking, this is the upcoming topic, the next topic actually, right? Tej, it is possible. Kindly please hold on the anxiety. Next one, Keshava. Can we upload the data to the database by using function? Sir, we can do that. We can do that. We can do that. In real time, we are doing in the same way actually. In real time, we are doing the same way. The same way. I will show you the example also during the database connectivity. Come on, sir. Now, let me tell you, till now, what are all I covered actually? I would like to say fundamentals. Now I'm going to entering into one topic actually. The topic name is what is that one? Written. Sir, let me tell you, on an average, how much time, you know? 40 minutes discussion. How long time actually? 40 minutes discussion. Very, very important. And let me tell you, very easy. Very easy. From the today onwards, till to the last data science example will follow one keyword actually. That keyword name is a written. That keyword name is what exactly? Almost 40 minutes discussion. I will explain slowly. Minimum, let me explain it 2 times, man. Let me explain what exactly? 2 times. If you want 3 times also. Hey, come on, man. My motto will be not to close the syllabus quickly. Your better understanding. Your what exactly? Better understanding. Can I continue? Good. Let me drink water. Online team, are you ready? Come on, sir. Hmm. Very good. Please focus on this section. Almost 40 minutes discussion. Please focus. Sir, if you miss not even 1 minute, if you are missing 1 minute, gone case actual. And today, very less members. This topic is important. If possible, let me share this recording session over the WhatsApp group actually. Come on. I just need response from you. Can somebody help me? Based on definition, functions are divided into how many types, sir? Very good. What is the first one? Predefined function. Next one is a user defined function. Very good. We already know. Next one. Based on parameter, functions are divided into again how many actually? Two. Functions without parameter. Next one is a function with parameter. Very good. Now you need to understand. You know what? Based on what exactly? Written. Functions are divided into two types actually. Understand, please. Based on written keyword, functions are two types actually. What is the first one? Function without parameter. I mean, function without written. Function what exactly? Without written. Next one is a function with written. Function what exactly, sir? With written. These 2 points let me cover today actually. Right? Can somebody help me one more time? Based on written statement, functions are divided into two types actually. The first one is function without written. Till now, from the Friday, we are learning the topics actually. Only function I am using. Am I right or not, sir? Only function topic I'm using. Now, today, along with that function, let me write one more keyword. That keyword name is called as a written. What is that keyword name actually? Written. Very interesting. Right? Let me show you. One by one, I will show you actually. First of all, let us have a nice discussion regarding the written. Regarding the written actually. Regarding the written. The very first point will be, it is a keyword in Python. It is what exactly, sir? Keyword in Python. I hope you know. Please don't ask what is a keyword actually. Whenever you're talking about the written, written is not a function. Written is not a method. Written is not a class actually. Written is a keyword. Written is what exactly? That point you need to understand. See, suddenly over the board, if I am writing print, you have to think immediately print is a function. Print is what exactly? Print is a function, print is not a class, print is not a method. That point you need to understand. Suddenly, if I am writing if actually, you have to think immediately, if is not a function, if it is not a keyword, I'm sorry, man. If is not a class, if is not a method, if is what exactly? Keyword. That recognition is a very, very important. And here I am writing something like a upper. What is that one? Very good. That point you need to catch. Now, today, I'm going to discussing about written. Written is a keyword, man. Written is what exactly? Keyword actually. Good. Yeah, I told you based on, written, functions are divided into two categories. Functions are divided into what exactly? Two categories. The first one is a function without written. I mean, function without written actually. Next one is what exactly? Function with written. Function with what exactly? Written. Good. Let me tell you. Good. Sir, ultimately, I'm going to write a program. I'm going to write what exactly? Program. Hey, can I write only function, Daniel? Only function I'm going to use actually? Sir, valid. If you are using only function topic, that is valid actually. Don't worry, you can proceed. I'm going to write a program. In my program, function plus written I am using. Function plus what I'm using, sir? Written I am using. Is it valid actually? Absolutely valid, man. Absolutely valid actually. Good. I'm going to write a program. In my program, I'm going to use only written. I'm going to use what exactly? Only written, invalid. That point you need to understand. Whenever you're talking about the written keyword, whenever you're talking about what exactly, sir? Written keyword, written and function both are best friends actually. Written and what exactly? Function. If you wanted to use only function, it is okay. You can use actually. Function written by default will not come. But keep in mind that I'm going to write a program by using written, by using what exactly? definitely one topic is required. What is that one? Function. The third point is important actually. Only written. Can I write an example? Let me show you practically. No, sir. You will get an error. You will get what exactly? Let me show you how to not use. Let me show you. Then I will show you how to use actually. Right. Now just try to come here. Please observe this example. Just now, written something like a 10 value, 100 value actually. Save this example. And now let us just try to run this example. Sir, I have written a program with only written keyword. With what keyword actually? Valid or invalid? One more time. Last time. Sir, I need a bigger response. One more time. Last time. Let me run this one. What it is telling actually, sir? Syntax error. That too, it is calling like anything. How it is calling actually? Tell me. Written outside of the function. Hurry, Daniel. You have written. That is okay. But that written where you have written, outside of the function. I didn't see the function. Here it is telling actually. The very serious warning is whenever you are writing a written, one mandatory stuff is required, sir. What is mandatory? Tell me. Function. Understand that one. Getting right? Good. Let me take this one actually. Can I write a program only by using written? No, sir. No, we should not write actually. If you are writing, you will get a scoldings from the Python actually. I hope you are getting. Online team, are you getting, sir? Fundamentals. Very good. By this time, we understand one thing. What we understand, if you wanted to use the written, then definitely that friend we need to use actually. What is that friend name actually? Can somebody tell me? Very good. Friend name is a function. Sir, same thing like a previously. Where are all you're using, for actually, definitely one friend is required. What is that friend name actually? Daniel, am I right? In, sir. What is that one? In actually. Same thing like. There are some combination. These works with the combination only. These works with what exactly? Combinations only. That point you need to understand. Very good. Now, let us enter into the discussion. Let me open the material. Yeah. Just till now, just what I can say, 30% explanation is done actually. Based on return statement, functions can be divided into two categories actually. Function without return statement, function with return statement. Return is a keyword in Python. We should use return statement with function or method also. Yeah. Return keyword you can apply on function and you can apply on method also. You can apply on what exactly? As of now, what is a method you can ignore. I will cover later actually. Otherwise, we'll get what exactly? Sir, exactly. Otherwise, I'm not using any function. Means I'm going to get what exactly, sir? Error. Now just try to see. Written outside of what exactly? Indirectly, Python is suggesting, hey, Daniel, maybe you are new to the Python. You're using written keyword actually. Please don't use without function. Please, what exactly, sir? Don't use without function. Did you understand this point? If you understand this one, here onwards, very easy, sir. Now I'm entering into the actual topic. What is the topic name actually? Tell me. Function without return. I'm sorry. Function without return. Now just try to see this one actually. I will read the theory later. Can somebody talk with me? What is my function name? Sir, how many functions? I will cry. How many functions? Two functions. What is the first function? Balance. Next one is a print. Am I right or not, sir? I'm repeating again. How many functions actually? Two functions. First one is a balance function, user defined function. Second one is a print, predefined. Please recognize like this. How many keywords would you have? What is that keyword name? DFI. Why am I highlighting with red color? What about this one actually? These are all not keywords actually. Yeah, good. Now means I have written a function, no return statement, program is valid. Program is what exactly? Valid actually. Are you with me till now? Yeah, good. Now let me explain this one. If a function cannot contain return statement, then that function is called as a function without return statement. It's not a mandatory to write a return statement to a function. A function without return statement is what exactly, sir? Valid. Let me write this example very quickly. Online team, please focus. Let me write that example, sir. DEF, balance, print. Yeah, my bank balance. Assuming that my bank balance is something like that. Now, sir, why output is not getting, sir? Any idea? Very good. By this time, you should know that fundamental. Whenever you have created a function, you are not getting output actually. There are two things. One is you have to call the function. What we need to do? Call the function. I'm not calling a function here. Can I call like this actually? Why? Tell me. Rule number one, function name should be match. While calling, what it's supposed to match actually? Function name should be match. Otherwise, you will get error. What is that error name actually? Sir, tell me, sir. Error name is a name error. Error name is what exactly? Name error. Important. You have to practice like this. Define your own function, call with the wrong name. Then what is the error you are getting? You have to please, observe this oral example actually. But anyway, ignore the discussion. Let us run this example actually. Tell me what is output actually? My bank balance. Now here, sir. Now I'm entering into the return keyword actually. Till now, are you comfortable? Yeah, here and what's most interesting, you can see my dance actually. Look at my screen. Someone is asking, can I start the music? Not required, sir. Topic is music for me actually. Yeah. Written actual discussion is going to start. Please focus. Sir, what I'm discussing, you cannot get this discussion from Google and YouTube also. I mean, I can tell proudly that point actually. I mean, with my experience, I'm explaining this point. Now, one more time, I'm writing DF balance. Print what exactly? My, tell me, sir, bank balance is, my bank balance is now exactly balance. Very good. What is output actually? My bank balance. Hold on. Very good. Let me run one more time. Let me delete this one. Now just try to come here. This is seriously interesting. This what exactly? Seriously interesting. Good. First of all, understand the syntax. What is the syntax? I have created a function. My function name is a balance actually. Generally, in Python programming language, whenever if you wanted to create a function, we supposed to use the def keyword. We supposed to use what exactly? Def keyword. Yeah, def balance actually, parenthesis came and the column is came. Next one is the, whenever you are entering inside of that one, that is called as a body of the function. That is called as what exactly, sir? In the body of the function, there are two statements. There are how many statements actually? Two statements. First one is a print line. First one is what exactly? One more line would you have actually? What is that line name? Return. That is a syntax. Frankly speaking, this is called as a function is returning 100 value. Read one more time. A function is returning 100 value. Why it is returning? I will tell you. Please focus on this one. Sir, tell me how many keywords actually? I will cry. How many keywords? Two keywords. What is the first one? Def. Next one, return. One more time. Def return. Last time. Def return. Very good. Very good actually. Good. Come into the discussion. Rule number one. What is the rule number one actually? Can I call something like a wish? No. How to call actually? Balance. Very good. Sir, get ready. I will give 1 or 2 minutes time actually. Guess the output. Boys and girls. Let us make a separate actually. Boys, come on, sir. Tell me what is output actually? Very good. Boys output is what exactly? Tell me, sir. Heroes, come on. My balance is, tell me what is output actually? Okay, column. Next one is 100. Very good. Done, right? Yeah, 1 minute. And next line 100, sir. It's okay, cool. 100. Now goals actually. Tell me, sir. Madam, tell me what is output actually? Okay, very good. My balance is what exactly? Next one is what exactly? Very good. Clap for yourself actually. Everyone, come on. Okay, good. Now let me tell you, sir. What exactly happening, take this example. Focus. Rule number 3 I'm going to cover. What is the rule number 3? Take this one. Sir, there is a one point. What is that point? If a function having return statement, that function, if you call directly, return statement will not execute. Rule number. This rule you need to understand. I will tell you when you are going to get the 100 actually. First of all, understand. I have created a function. Inside function body having the two statements actually. In a two statement, first one is the print statement. First one is what exactly? Print. Okay, cool. If there is no return, you can call the function directly. Then you will get the output actually. But remember one thing. If a function having the statement along with the return statement, function calling, small modifications required. What is required actually? Small modifications required. Did you understand first of all this one? I will tell you why 100 is not getting actually. Online time, please focus. Here are what's important actually. Now the statement what I'm going to cover, very, very important. You cannot get from Google also. Frankly speaking, if I say you cannot get, that is it actually. Tell me, sir, what is the function name actually? Balance. Now, remember my statement. If a function having the return statement, read one more time. If a function having the return statement, that function calling, we need to assign to the variable. We need to assign to what exactly? Variable. That is the rule. I am repeating one more time. Come on, sir, hold on. Let me finish actually. If a function having the return statement, if a function having what exactly? Return statement, that function calling, what is the function calling actually? Balance. Come to the left hand side, we need to assign to the variable. We need to assign to what exactly? Variable. Seriously, super. This is the rule number 3. First rule, what is the first rule? Function name should be match. Second rule, if function having the parameter, we need to provide the value. Anyway, no parameters, you can ignore actually. Rule number 3, if a function having the return statement, that function calling, we need to assign to what exactly? Variable. Now you can print the variable. Now you can print what exactly, sir? Variable. Now see the output actually. Now see the output actually. That what you need to understand. Why we are assigning, I can tell later actually. Understand this syntax first of all. Everyone please read along with me. If a function having return statement, read everyone. If a function having return statement, good. That function calling, read everyone. That function calling, we need to assign to variable. Read everyone. We need to assign to variable. Here, if Daniel, why? Hold on, sir. I will cover actually. First of all, understand the syntax. Let me write the statement actually. Come on here. I just wanted to hear from you. Tell me, sir, if a function having return statement, very good, comma, that function calling, tell me, we need to assign variable. We need to assign to what exactly? Variable, right? Good. This variable holds the value. This variable, what exactly? Holds the value, holds the function value, holds what exactly, sir? Function value. Now get ready. Let us execute a few of these examples actually. You will get a very clear picture. This point is a very, very important point, sir. This point is a very, very important point actually. If any questions, I will help you. Kindly please hold on. Let me close the discussion actually. Everyone read this point 2 times actually. Read everyone. If a function having return statement, that function calling, we need to assign to variable. This variable holds the function value. Very good. Now let me write one more function actually. What is the function name I'm writing? Now just try to come here. Print of hello. Now I just wanted to hear from you. What is output, sir? Tell me. Hello. Very good. I hope you understand. Now just try to come here. Written 100. Written what exactly? 100. Now tell me what is output. Very good. Yeah. Very good actually. What is output actually? Tell me. Hello only. If I want 100 actually, what I need to do? Very nice, sir. Assign a variable. Why we are assigning, I will tell you. Please hold on. Understand the syntax actually. If you wanted to see the written value, what we need to do, do one more step extra. Come to the left hand side. Assign a variable. What is my variable name actually? Always take the first letter. That is a good practice actually. Always take what exactly? First letter. That is a good practice. Right. Now still you cannot see the 100 value actually. If you wanted to see 100, what I need to do? Print of n. Print of what exactly? N actually. Now the next example I'm going to tell why we are assigning to the variable. Did you understand till now? Very good, sir. Now I just wanted to hear from you one more discussion. Good. Now def address actually. Address print of hello. Now let me just try to return not only integer value. Here you can provide something like a HYD. I mean, basically I'm from Kaiklur actually. Kaiklur. Now I just wanted to hear from you. What is output, sir? Tell me. Hello. Very good. I just wanted to print hello Kaiklur also. What I need to do? Sn variable. What is the variable name? Yeah. Let me just try to print what exactly? Very good, sir. I hope you got output actually. Hello Kaiklur. Did you understand? Now let me enter. Till now 50% explanation done. How much percent actually? 50%. Are you getting everyone? Very good, sir. Let me talk with online team also. A function is returning integer value, a function is returning string value. These are all. It can return anything, sir. What print is not written? Sir, why did you create the variable outside of the function? Kusuma. Sir, why 100 coming next line actually? We keep blank, give any number. Sir, online team. Just now I'm seeing all of you. I want to print a hello head in one line actually. We can print Begum, sir. Begum, ma'am, we can print actually. Then there is a how to print, just try to come here. Here what we can print, end equals to double quote like this. That can I cover this one later actually? In a one line how to print, these are all things can I cover later actually? Please. We can still print like this actually, but I don't want to enter into these are all complex discussion. Can we get output on the same line? Floating value is valid. Sir, everything valid. Any value you can return actually. Now let us move on to the discussion. Go back. DF balance actually. DF what exactly? Balance. Sir, it is very easy. Come on. Print of my bank balance. My bank what exactly? Balance is written 100. Good. Sir, I wanted to hear from you exactly what is the accurate output. Tell me what is output actually? My bank balance is? Yes, that's it. 100. Are you expecting 100 actually? Very good. Very good. Now let me tell you, Array Daniel, if a function having the return statement, that function calling, we need to assign to what exactly? Variable. See, uh, don't write like this actually. Don't write it. B equals to balance. Don't write like this actually. This we have to write like this. If a function having the return statement, function calling you need to write first actually. Then hold on. Now write like this is the good pattern actually. Always go to right to left. Always go to what exactly, sir? Good pattern, right? Now just try to come here, equal symbol. Just try to provide here is a B. Yeah, good. Now let me just try to print what exactly, sir? B actually. Now can somebody help me? Now let me just try to print what is the value, sir? 100. Good. Now it's the right time. You may ask a question. Array Daniel, why you are assigning? Let me reveal the secret actually. You should understand. I'm telling like we need to assign, right? I'm telling like what exactly you need to assign. Now you need to understand why you are assigning. What is the need actually? Sir, you know what? If you are assigning to the variable, the beauty will be that variable you can use for business logic. I'm repeating one more time. If you assign the value to the variable, if you assign function calling to the variable, this variable you can use for business logic. I know very well you don't know what is a business logic actually. Now let me tell you what is a business logic. What do you mean by business logic? Just try to come here. Sir, initially assuming that my function is returning 0. My function is returning what exactly? 0. Good. Now here what we can do, if B double equals to 0, B double equals to what exactly? 0. Print here. Now do let me know, sir, what I can print, B value. What I can print actually? B value. Now what is output actually? Any idea? Now just try to observe this example. What is output actually? Yeah, see, what is the value you are getting? 0. Good. Move on to the next one. Elif. Elif actually. Right. If B value is less than or equals to 0, if B value is what exactly? Less than. I mean to say that sometime your output can be negative value. Your output can be what exactly? Negative value. Here, let me just try to write print of boss balance is negative. Balance is what exactly, sir? Negative, please deposit money, something like, please deposit, something like that. Now here what I can print what exactly, sir? B value. And else what exactly? Let me print B value. Now let us execute this example in a different dimension actually. First of all, let me provide 0 value. Let me provide what exactly? Sir, this is called as a business logic. This logic completely created based on this variable only. If a function is returning the balance, if a function is what exactly? Returning the balance, assign that balance value to the variable. Here onwards, you can use that variable. Okay. What is the value? If the value, whenever you are talking about the bank balance, there are mainly 3 scenarios. First scenario, bank balance can be 0. Bank balance can be greater than 0. Bank balance can be negative 0. I mean, less than 0. Bank balance can be what exactly? If the bank balance is 0, I would like to print your balance is what exactly, sir? Can somebody help me? 0. Your balance is what exactly? Let us just try to execute this example. You are getting 0 actually. Assuming that, sir, unfortunately, my bank balance is the minus 100. What is my bank balance actually? Now, what is the flow? Balance function you are calling. Okay. Then automatically my bank balance will be printing. Then this B, what is the value it is storing actually? Minus 100. Good. Now let us start the discussion. Minus 100 double equals to 0. Is it true actually? No. If it is a not a true, something like a false actually, do you think it will enter inside of this one? No. Then it will goes to what exactly? Sir, don't ask what is if actual. I will do namaskar for you. Because in flow control, we already done actual. Are you getting? Now come here. Elif minus 100 less than 0 valid. Then what is output you are going to get? True. Am I right or not? Though this logic is the true, then it will tell boss balance is a negative. Please deposit. Execute this example. Wow, exactly. My bank balance is boss balance is the negative. Please deposit what exactly? Minus. I mean, please deposit. Please deposit somewhere. Anyway, this I am printing, sir. My bank balance is the negative. Can I print here actually? Yeah, let me just try to print B value here. And here onwards, I would like to suggest actually. Please deposit some money. Some money actually. Like this you can print. Now just try to come here. Execute the example. You can frame like this actually. Boss balance is what exactly? Negative minus 100. Please deposit what exactly? Some money. Now assuming that if the value is 1,000, if the value is what exactly? 1,000. What is output you are going to get? Tell me. My bank balance is what exactly, sir? 1,000. In a 1,000, which block is executing? Else block. Are you getting, sir? Now, if you assign a function return value to the variable, that variable you can use in your further code actually. That's the beauty. That point you need to catch today actually. Let me repeat one more time. If a function having return statement, that function calling, you need to assign to the variable. You need to assign what exactly? If you want, you can print directly without any logic actually. Yes, you can print. If you want, you can print here directly actually. This is okay and accepted actually. Hey, Daniel, here onwards, can I use this B value actually? You can use, sir. You can use actually. Best example how to use, tell me. Can I tell actually? Assuming that you went to ATM and you withdraw some, how much balance you withdraw? Let me tell you. You withdraw 500 rupees. How much you withdraw actually? Now, can somebody tell me what is the total balance actually? What is the logic I wanted to write here? Tell me, somebody already started. B minus with exactly, sir. Sir, what is your name? Very good, sir. Prashant, very good actually. Now let us just try to use the total. Let us just try to use what exactly? Now understand this point. Here, what they done, exactly. Wow, seriously, Superman. First, what is your total? What is your existing balance actually? 1,000 rupees. Can I say that 1,000 rupees storing in B actually? Very good. B it is storing. Then you went to ATM. You withdraw money. Whenever you are withdrawing money, what exactly happening? Backend one function is calling. That function is returning your existing balance. What is existing balance value? B equals to 1,000 rupees. You withdraw. How much actually? 500. Now what is the total balance actually? B minus withdraw. What is the total balance actually? 500. Seriously super. I hope you understand, right? This takes some time, but just try to connect one or two times actually. It is very easy. Very easy, I'm telling actually. Okay. I will explain one more time, not immediately. Let me walk through the material first actually. Online team, can I get a response actually? Are you following? Can you take an example of table and attribute? Amar Sim, I will cover that point also. Mohan, can you please show me an example of table and attribute actually? Mohana. Sir, I'm sorry for saying, I'm not understanding what you're talking, sir. What do you mean by table and attribute actually? If you want this kind of table and attribute during pandas I can cover. Kindly please, ask your relevant questions. Sheila, we can do actually that I'm going to cover. Till now regarding return statement, just 70% done. How much percent done actually? 70%. Still 30 more percent we do have actually. But interesting topic. Good. Let's move to the discussion. Sir, we can implement the logic according to our interest actually. Let me go through the material and I will explain step by step actually. Function with return statement. Based on requirement, we can write a return statement to a function. A function with the return statement is what exactly, sir? Valid. Now just try to say, I hope you know very well why we are getting only what exactly, sir? My bank balance is. Why not 100 actually? Because you are not assigning function calling to variable. If you wanted to print that 100, assign that function calling to the variable, print that variable. Assign that function calling to variable, print that variable. Good. If a function contains return statement, then that function calling we need to assign to a variable. Yeah, you may ask a question. Array Daniel, why we need to assign to variable, sir? No, my answer will be yes. I will explain. Please wait in another what exactly, sir? 5 minutes actual. But don't give this reply during interview actual. Am I right or not, sir? Just for your better understanding, I had written actually. Good, just had to say. Seriously, super. Function, return statement, function calling, variable, printing. Now it's a right time. Why we need to assign a function calling to the variable? If you assign function calling to a variable, then that variable holding the variable value. That variable is holding what exactly? Variable value. That variable we can use further in our program. That variable we can use what exactly, sir? Further. Once the value is returning, I would like to use that value in my further coding actually. This is something like a writing a business logic. Writing what exactly? Business logic actually. Good. Now just try to see here. Seriously interesting. Good DEF. Sir, first of all, stop the discussion. How many keywords actually? Very good, sir. Very good. Thank you. You made me laugh actually. Very good. In this given program, how many keywords? 5 keywords. Only three is the difference actually. Tell me. DEF, return, if, elif, else actually. Very good. How many variables? One variable only. Tell me how many functions? Two functions. What are those functions? Next one is a print. How many values? One value. Yeah. What is this one written? Is it function? One more time. Last time. Very good. Come to the discussion. You have created a function. Function having a return statement. No print statement. That is okay. Accepted actually. Good. If a function having the return statement, that function calling we need to assign to the variable. Now here, how much value is storing, sir? 100 is storing. Am I right? Now 100. Do you think 100 double equals to 0? Is it true actually? No. Then this statement will not execute. I mean to say here is the false actually. Then go to the next one. 100 less than or equals to 0. Do you think it is valid actually? No. And what is the last one? Yes. Balance is what exactly? 100. In this scenario, you have implement based on this variable, you have implemented some business logic. Here else is executing. What is executing actually? Else is executing. Move on to the next one. What is the value? 0. Good. A function having the return statement. Function calling we are assigning to the variable. Variable is holding the value. What is the value? 0. Now tell me 0 double equals to 0. What is the result, sir? True. If it is a true, this one is executing. What is output actually? Balance is the true. In the given scenario, which block is executing? If block. Good. Move to the next one. Minus 50. A function having the return statement. Sir, you know what? Almost I repeated 10 times actually. How many times? Because very, very important. If I'm repeating any statement many times, please don't misunderstand me. This guy is irritating. Please, please. If it is important, then I can repeat actually. So please accept my word actually. I can still explain one time actually, but my motto will be I'm an average student. Like me, many students might be available. When I was studying actually, like me, I need a minimum 3 to 4 times explanation. When I joined Java course, my faculty, he used to explain only 1 or 2 times actually. But I was the average student. I'm expecting one more time. If faculty explain third time will be how good it is. I used to feel like that. If I'm repeating 2 to 3 times, don't misunderstand me. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let's continue. If a function having the return statement, function calling we need to assign to the variable. Now variable is calling what exactly? Minus 50. Now game started actually. Minus 50 double equals to 0. Tell me what is the result? False. No point of executing this one. Minus 50 less than or equals to 0. What is the result actually? Here only less than, sir. Not equals is not required actually. Print. Tell me balance is what is the value? minus 50, it is negative, please deposit some money, otherwise gone case. Otherwise what exactly? Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, done, man. Now I hope you understand. Below program also valid actually. Below program also valid actually. No, it's a good practice for us. Good, sir. The statement should be like, let's continue. Sir, let me tell you. Come on. This point also important. What is the point? You know? DEF, balance. Damn sure interview question. Generally in a company, even I will take an interview. Even based on requirement, my manager used to give the profiles to me also. I will also take interview. I will ask this question during interview. Please think what I'm asking actually. Come here. Written 100 value. Here you can write something like, first of all, let us just try to write here. Let us just try to write here. Hello, sir. Tell me what is output actually. Let me run this one. What is output? Tell me. Hello, na? No output actually. Very good, sir. Now let us just try to call that one. What is output now? Very good. Written 100. What is output? Very good. Now let me print B actually. Let me print what exactly B. What is output actually? Sir, tell me what is output. One more time. Very good. One more time. Last time. Very good. First of all, to print the B, you need to assign, right? Yeah, let me assign function calling to the variable. Habituate with the statement actually. I know what to call. I know very well what to call actually. Good. Function call, let me assign to the variable equals to, let me assign it to B actually. Now what is output actually? Do let me know. Hello, exactly. Hello, 100. Sir, instead of this one, take this example. We can call same thing in the different way. What is that way, sir? Now, can I say this B means total this function call actually? Now copy and paste here actually. You can delete this one. You can still, you will get the same output actually. But we should not call like this. Why? Any idea? Excellent, sir. Excellent. What is your name? Very good. Sir, if you call like this, then what is the use? How you can use actually? Generally, if you assign to the variable, then only we can reuse. Then only what exactly? We can reuse. My explanation 95% done actually. Last to 5%. Did you understand? These are all point by point you need to understand actually. That is seriously interesting. What is the today topic? Tell me. Python, right? Functions actually. And keyword name is a written keyword. Seriously interesting, sir. Somebody is telling data science actually. Yeah, come on. Let me tell you one more point I wanted to cover. One more point I wanted to cover. Get ready. Balance. Let me just try to write here. Hello. Let me just try to write here what exactly? Hello actually. Now tell me what is output, sir? Yeah, good. What is output actually? Hello. First of all, if a function having no return statement, you can call the function directly. If a function having no return statement, let me assign a variable. Let me assign what exactly? Variable to the function calling. B equals to, this is the last scenario. Then we can close the discussion. 98% my explanation is done. Now execute the output actually. Get ready. Any guessing what is output actually? Hello, and next one is what exactly? Sir, not talake, am I right? I mean to say that we are going to get what can you tell me what is that output actually? That function is calling. What is that function value is returning? Hello. What is the function value is returning? Hello. Sir, when you can write this statement, if a function having return statement, then only we need to write. If there is no return statement, if you are writing, this function is returning none. This function is returning what exactly? None. Now go back to the data types. One day I promised you, what I promised you, none is a data type. The same none data type I will cover during functional programming language also. This point you need to understand. If a function is not returning any value, still it is returning one value. That value name is called as a none. That value name is called as what exactly? Sir, same example, just try to come here. Return none. Still this example is a valid actually. This point you need to catch, man. If a function is, see exactly the same output you are getting. If a function is not, if a function having no return statement, still you are assigning function calling to the variable. We should not assign, but I wanted to show you. Still you are assigning function calling to the variable, you are printing, then the output is what exactly? None actually. Yeah, I hope we already covered this, So below program also valid, but not recommended actually, but not recommended. Written as none. If any function is not written anything, then by default that function returns what data types are? None data type. We can also say as if you're not writing a return statement, then by default, what is the value, sir? None actually. By default, what is the value? None. See, function calling M1. This statement is executing. Generally, we should not assign, but let me assign. A function calling, let me assign to the variable, let me print actually. Whenever, when you can assign actually, if this function having return statement, then only we need to assign. If it is not available written, if you are still assigning, what is the data type actually? None. Did you understand? Very good. Very good. So this point I will continue tomorrow, sir. Why? Because to understand to understand this point, today total topic is revision is required. Total topic revision is required actually. I will revise one more time. We'll see, we will learn this topic tomorrow. Tomorrow. Can I ask a question? How is written statement? Thank you, sir. But practice required. What is required? Practice required actually. And these are all important fundamentals, man. The today regarding written statement, all examples do minimum 2 to 3 times practice. Then you can connect actually. Are you getting or not? This is let me tell you, in total Python, this is the complex topic. All other topics are very easy. In total Python, you don't know till we are entering into the new topic, but trust me, written is a very complex topic actually. And work on this one more number of times. That's it. If you understand this one, the same point you can't believe. Whenever I am entering into the machine learning, I will repeat again none actually. Written, none, these are all things. Very, very important. Okay. Online team, can I get a response? I hope you followed, sir. Return statement is so confusing. It's no confusion, sir. All right. Written explain. Okay. Sriram, sir, we can do like that also. We can still do like that. All right. Good. But more, revision and explanation, it is required for you. Tomorrow also I will revise one more time. Don't miss tomorrow's session also. Let me give a small recap. Once I done the recap, then I can move on to the next discussion actually. Please focus on this one. If anyone is feeling no confusion, it is a very simple. Sir, come on, look at my screen. So the topic name is a function spot number one. What is the topic name? Function spot number one. In a function spot number one, how I have divided, boss. First of all, function means it's a contain group of statements to perform a task. To perform what exactly? Task actually. Whenever you're talking about the function, let me tell you, there are mainly based on definition, functions are divided into two categories. First one is a predefined function. Next one, user defined function. Predefined function means print, type, input. These are all coming along with the Python. When you install Python, by default, these functions will come, sir. That's what it is called as a predefined function. Now the second one, based on requirement, we can create our own function. These functions are called as a user defined function, programmer created functions. If you wanted to understand function programming language in a better way, there are a few terminology you need to understand. What are all terminology? DF keyword, name of the function, parenthesis, parameter, column symbol, body of the function, return statement, function calling. These are all things. Yeah, variable also. Now let parameters. Now let me tell you, whenever you are learning about the function, 2 points you need to understand. First point, how to create a function. Next one, how to call a function. Am I right or not, sir? I explained very clearly how to create a function, how to call a function. Next point, a function can call another function. That discussion also we done. Best example, you can create a two function based on your requirement. You can call one function inside another function. Next one, based on parameters, functions are divided into two categories. Function without parameter, function with parameter. If a function having no parameter, that is called as a function without parameter. That we already know. The day we started with the function, same thing actually. Second one important, function with parameter. We have created a function, that function having the one parameter. How many parameter? One parameter. Immediately one rule you need to remember. Whenever you are calling the function, while you are calling the function, you need to provide the value to the parameter. You need to provide what exactly? if a function having 2 parameter, how many values? 2 value. If a function having 3 parameter, how many values? 3 values. That is a rule. I hope you understand. Next one. Immediately I started explaining about the return keyword. What is the keyword actually? Sir, first of all, return is a keyword in Python. Return is what exactly? Keyword in Python. Whenever you are learning about this return keyword, ensure that can I write a program only by using return actually? No. If you wanted to use the return keyword, the best friend is required. That best friend name is a function. Good. Based on return statement, functions are divided into two categories. Function without return statement, function with return statement. One more time. Function without return statement, function with return statement. Good. I hope you already know. Till now, we already worked with the function without return statement actually. Good. Now, if a function having the return statement, if a function having what exactly, sir? Return statement, you should not call directly like how we used to call previously. Let me tell you, I have created a function. My function having what exactly, sir? Return. Can I call directly like this actually? You can call, but you will get a partial output actually. You will get what exactly? Partial. What is output you are going to get? Tell me. Hello. I just wanted to print 100 also. How to print, sir? Yeah, that point is important. Generally, you can tell in a many way. If a function having the return statement, online team, hold on, sir. We are getting some ambulances sound near to us actually. Kindly please hold on. If a function having the return statement, that function calling, kindly please assign to the variable. Kindly please assign to what exactly? Variable. That is a good practice. Once you assign to the variable, if you want, you can print. Now do let me know, sir, what is output actually? Hello 100. One more time. Hello 100. Successfully 100% you had written. Now you may ask a question, Ari Daniel, what is the purpose of assigning? It's a very simple, sir. Sometimes, when best example, you're asking my material, I am returning the material. Then your next task is read the material. Your next task is what exactly? Read the material. This is something like a function is returning one value. This value, if you want, you can use up to you. Like a business logic. If the value is a 0, let me print it as a 0. If the value is less than 0, let me print a negative balance. If the value greater than 0, let me show actual balance. Such a nice example. I hope you understand. Getting right? Tomorrow also I will repeat one more time. And tomorrow, in what is the agenda for tomorrow? Tomorrow, next 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to close part number 1. And we are entering into the part number 2. From the part number 2, you will get a 4 interview questions. 4 actual, I'm sure. Very, very important discussion tomorrow. What is the topic name? Tell me. Functions, part number 1. This topic may take on an average, 1.5 hour discussion, sir. We'll see accordingly. Next one is a module. And if you want, when the Python is going to close, hold on. Where are we? 18, 22. Oh, sir. When this batch started, 22, right? We'll start 1 month actually. I will take that day, special session. 22nd, don't miss actually. That day I will explain how I became as a trainer and what is the need actually. Definitely there is a reason, right? That day I will explain, my background actually. I don't have a Basha background. Just I'm explaining, and 25 is a holiday. 25 is holiday actually. And that day, no session. That is the biggest festival in my life actually. Part number 2, don't miss the 22nd. 25 is holiday. All right. We'll see. Which one, sir? Christmas, sir, actually. So, yeah. Next one is object-oriented programming. The total Python takes how long time, The next one is will be on an average minimum 10 sessions required, sir. How many sessions actually? 10 sections. From taking here, I can say that, exactly we are going to start on 27th or 28th actually. We'll see accordingly. Data analysis topic. What is the topic actually? It's a right time you should understand. Once we're done with the Python, immediately the next topic is the data analysis. Such an interesting topic. Once the Python done, I will give 1 day session as a revision. I will give what exactly? 1 day session as a revision. If anyone wanted to deliver small topic, I will give a great opportunity. All my previous batches, few of students are, I understand the topics very well. Can I deliver actually? I used to give a chance. 5 to 10 minutes you can take and you can deliver actually. That's really good. We are all kind of some family members actually. Are you getting or not? Yeah, yeah. But I never force, hey, you have to deliver something like that. Very good. All right. So can I close the discussion? Yeah, let me upload material, sir. Let me upload actually, please. Sir, you guys are not attending Saturday session. Please, I'm requesting. I will not force actually, up to you. If you are very busy at Saturday, it is up to you. Otherwise, please attend Saturday session. String functions. Here I need to upload running nodes. Am I right, boss? Metal I uploaded. Let me upload part number 2. Let me upload part number 2 actually. Yeah, yeah, yes, sir. I will upload now actually. Yeah, just last 2 minutes. We are going to, sorry, we are going to close the discussion. Last 2 minutes. Part number 2. Raise your hand who are all not in Google Classroom, sir. Google Classroom, please. You have to be available actually. Yeah, control chat. Part number 2. Done. All right. Anything is pending from my side? No, right? Yeah, yeah. Please. Any questions? You're not there. Tell me your mail ID, sir. Yeah, sure, sir. 1 minute. Oh, sorry, sir. You can connect with admin. Yeah, yeah. Connect with admin. Okay, I'm sorry. There are few members. These guys not accepted actually. I don't know what might be the reason. Kishore, you got a mail, sir. You have to accept actually. I don't know who is the Kishore. You have to accept. That is a Kishore. Next one is a. Then only. Come again, sir. I don't know Hindi, sir. Can you speak in English actually? I mean to say that admin already sent a mail actually to that person and he didn't accept. Who is the Kishore? Okay, absent actually. Fine, sir. Mhm. Sir, you are more active. What is your name? Very good, sir. My name is Daniel actually. Yeah, good. Next one is one more person, Pranavi. So we already sent a mail actually, but didn't accepted this mail. Good. All right. We done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session, sir. Thank you. Thank you for attending the session. Thank you. Yep. Online team, we done for today's session. Please change Saturday time to early. Sure, sure, boss. We'll plan accordingly.